This is a quick demo of the graphical user interface for the ECG electrocardiogram automated interpretation system. And as you can see, we are at the home screen of the GUI. There are three features of the system. We have the ECG graph extraction, ECG query, and ECG interpretation. We're going to start off with the extraction feature, and this feature allows users to extract ECG graphs as PDFs and crop them into images. So when you click on the extract button, you will be automatically directed to the extract tab. And as you can see, now we are at the extract tab. And first you need to do is you just browse and select all the PDFs that you want to extract. So for example, I'm going to go to the GUI and then I'm going to pick the PDFs that I want to extract. Select them. Then once you select your PDFs, you'll select your type of ECG machine model that you want. For now, I'm just going to select the Cardia 20 ECG machine. Once you select that, you're going to click Run Extraction, and it will automatically pop up a message box that says the extraction is complete and it's successful. So once you click OK, it will pop up the open dialog box, and you can go back to where you store your PNG files. And as you can see, the extraction is successful. You can see there's two images of the patients. So the next thing we're gonna demo is the query function and interpretation. So once you click on the query, it basically automatically takes you to the query tab. And basically the query function is a combination of the query and the interpretation, where users or doctors are allowed to search for a patient's attributes or multiple attributes at the same time. And they can also view the diagnosis of the interpretation alongside the ECG graph of the particular patient. So, and like I said, you can also view the diagnosis of the interpretation, and basically the ECG interpretation feature is basically utilizing trained convolutional neural networks and artificial neural network models to automatically interpret the ECG graphs of the selected patient and determines whether it has any abnormalities. For now, the abnormalities that we have, they are defined in two classes. We have the normal and an abnormal. And okay, so basically I'm going to start searching depending on what attributes. I'm just going to randomly do it. Put normal, female, put Caucasian, and click search. And as you can see, it finds a particular patient. And then you can see all the attributes of the patient. And then if you click on the patient, it will pop up the diagnosis of the patient itself. And the left side is the ECG graph, and the right side is with all the information of the patient. And then we have the interpretation results of that particular ECG graph. And the actual assessment by the doctor is normal, and then the predicted assessment by the model that we created is predicted as normal as well. And the score is basically, you can get the score of both classes, the normal and abnormal, so you can see how close it was to guessing normal versus abnormal basically. And you can see it's very high in guessing the normal, so, and the abnormal is like 0.97 score. So yes, this is basically our ECG automated interpretation system.